So if you guys are wondering, right, my methodology behind my YouTube video marketing is this simple, guys. I literally copy, paste, and profit.
All my dogs peace, all my mobs deep. Get in your bag, ain't no lost street. Ain't no smoke, it's choke. We want all the heat, we want all the heat, we want all the heat.
What's going on, fam? Eric Ellis here, CEO of wolvesacademy.com, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to simply copy and paste and make $100 plus per day. Now let's step behind the laptop. Boom, we're behind the laptop. If this is your first time coming across my channel, my name is Eric Ellis. I am a professional affiliate marketer. I refer other people's products. So you can sell anything with this method, but I'm gonna go ahead and recommend that you sell other people's products because number one, it saves you a lot of time. Number two is you don't have to deal with selling like physical products like drop shipping or stuff along those lines to where it cuts into your margins. You can get paid anywhere from 50 to 75% commissions by selling other people's products. And this method is called affiliate marketing. So the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna go and find affiliate products and we're gonna pick a niche. Picking a niche is basically just picking a category around what you want your business to be. So imagine doing what you loved every single day. What would that look like? What category would that be? What do you read about? What do you talk about? What do you love? What are you obsessed with? I'm obsessed with money. So I love to talk about money. I like to create content around money. I like doing business pertaining to money. I like teaching people to make money, right? So that's my niche. So once you figure that out, we're going to go ahead and actually find an offer. You can go to an affiliate network. And by the way, I forgot to show you guys proof that this stuff actually works. What I'm about to show you guys has made me in one of my affiliate offers $43,925 in just one freaking offer. And I actually just made $400 before I decided to create this video. So it's actually about $44,000 now. So with that being said, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go and find an affiliate offer. So we can go to ClickBank, we can go to maxbounty.com, we can go to jvzoo.com. These are called affiliate networks where we can find different affiliate products, or you can promote a business opportunity if you want to do the make money online niche like myself. If you guys want more information on that, go to ericsnewbook.com. grab access to the free copy of the book, and then I will also give you guys a little bit more information on the affiliate product that I'm currently promoting that allows me to generate $1,000 paydays. Now let's go to ClickBank. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the affiliate marketplace. The category in this specific video, I'm going to go ahead and stick with the make money online niche, right? Because it's going to be congruent, because the method that I actually use, I do it for the make money online niche. So in ClickBank, the make money online niche is called e-business and e-marketing. So Super Affiliate System by John Crestani. He's an amazing guy. I've actually bought this course for $1,000 and really good content. So if I go to promote, I can actually earn $457.66 per sale, right? And just to show you guys what this actual product is, this is IamJetSet.com, and it is his affiliate marketing course. Eventually, even though I love this guy, he's amazing, I'm gonna crush him because I'm in the affiliate marketing niche and I'm promoting affiliate courses, but still love him, right? He's an amazing guy, and he's basically promoting his own affiliate marketing course, right? So basically, you sign up for the training. After you go ahead and actually attend the webinar, he's gonna pitch a $1,000 product. Once he pitches the $1,000 product, if somebody decides to actually buy, you get paid 50% commission, which is $457.66. So if I wanted to go ahead and actually promote that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and press the promote button. I'm going to put my account nickname here. I'm going to generate a hop link. And once I generate a hop link, boom, I'm ready to go. I'm ready to promote my unique affiliate link. Now, what that is basically a link that has my unique ID. So that way, whenever a transaction is made and it has my unique ID, they know who to actually pay a commission. So how am I going to go ahead and actually promote this thing? This is where the copy paste method comes into play. Now, if we go to step number 2, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and actually copy and paste. We're going to copy and paste the title, the thumbnail, the tags tags and title. I don't know why I should have just put tags and SEO. So what am I talking about, guys? I'm talking about YouTube. If you guys notice, I create YouTube content on a day-to-day basis, but guys, there's only so much knowledge I have in my head. So to get inspiration, what I do is I copy and I paste what other people are doing. So just to show you guys that I'm not just blowing smoke up your anus, let's actually take a look at my YouTube channel. So we're literally going to go and look at the most recent posts, right? So my most recent post was just post 44 minutes ago. I put how to make $1,000 a day just with your smartphone, exclamation mark. So if we look at the title here, how to make $1,000 a day just with your smartphone. The only change I made is I added an exclamation mark. Now he has this thumbnail. I decided to create a thumbnail that I feel like is a little bit more engaging and a little bit more like attention catching. Next, 3 passive income ideas. Make extra $1,000 per month. If we look here, 9 passive income ideas. Now guys, I was not fucking doing 9 fucking passive income ideas, right? I decided to do 3, so I just switched it up and said 3 passive income ideas that earn $1,000 plus per month. Now if you look, $1,000 per month passive income is on her thumbnail. I have $1,000 a month passive income ideas on my thumbnail, so pretty similar. One thing that I want to let you guys know is that I'm not even watching these videos. I just need inspiration. So if you guys want to look at my YouTube process, this is my process right here, right? These are videos that I've recently done. And what I do is, let's just say how to make money online as a broke teenager. Like, just if you guys want to know what's going to be coming up next, these are these are titles that I've swiped from other content creators. And guys, I don't use this to copy their content. I don't even watch their videos. I just get it to take ideas so that way I can leverage the knowledge that I do have. And I can say, okay, how can I go and actually create content at a different angle with these specific titles, right? So we have 3 passive income ideas, like I said. And then what I did is I mentioned in the notes what I was going to go and actually teach. So SaaS products, client retainers, continuity programs, right? And that's what I decided to teach. Now, with that being said, guys, the copy and paste is just for inspiration. You do have to put in work. We're not just copy and pasting and money's falling out of the fucking sky. But it's going to go and give you inspiration. And if they created the content with that title and that thumbnail and it's working, it's proven to already work, right? So that means YouTube likes that. People click on that type of stuff. And now it's just your turn to actually deliver content that's going to retain their retention. And if you retain their attention, you have a really good watch time, YouTube will promote your content. Now, just to show you a couple more, so $200 per day. Kevin David, look at his thumbnail. Best ways to make money online as a broke guy, whatever. Best ways to make money online as a broke beginner. And then we have over here, we have earn $300 by typing names online. I just modeled the thumbnail on this one. So earn $300 daily typing names. I put earn $500 daily searching Google. And then on Instagram, how to make money on Instagram. One of these freaking things are how to make money on Instagram right here. So look at the thumbnail, day 0, day 1 thumbnail. And then mine, day 0, day 1 thumbnail. Same exact freaking thumbnail. Now, if we look here, I want you guys to take a look at this. How to copy and paste ads that make $100 to $500 a day online. Where do you guys think I got this idea from, right? I simply found this video. Instead of how to copy and paste ads, guys, like there's no fucking such thing as copy and pasting ads and making $100 to $500 per day. But I thought, you know what? I do copy and paste people's titles. I do copy and paste people's thumbnails, right? I literally just copy and paste. Yes, there is work that you have to put in. I'm putting in the work right now. I'm creating the actual content. I'm providing value. But this is what I do. I do copy and paste on a day-to-day basis. I do swipe people's content all the freaking time. Not their content, but their thumbnails and their titles. So I said, I can use this title. So if you guys are wondering, right, my methodology behind my YouTube video marketing is this simple, guys. I literally copy, paste, and profit. I copy and paste titles. I copy and paste thumbnails. I copy and paste the actual tags, so the video tags that people have in their tags, and the SEO materials so that way I can rank the video. And the next step, guys, is my favorite part, is what we're gonna do is that John Crestani link that I had is after I create content, I'm gonna go and actually put that link in my description or wherever, description, or if you guys, like I said, I use ericsnewbook.com. And that's my affiliate marketing funnel to where I give access to a free book. And then once people get access to that free book, I redirect people to my affiliate offer. And you guys can do the same thing. But all we're doing, guys, is step number 3, promoting affiliate products. We're redirecting this attention to our affiliate products. So you get paid commissions. It's that simple. So if I was to promote John Crestani's product, which I'm not going to, but I would go ahead and promote that link, and then as people go and attend that webinar, some people are going to go ahead and not buy it, and the people who do buy it, boom, I made $460. That simple. So if you guys do want to learn about like actually creating the funnels, like my ebook funnel, and you guys want to learn about better paid traffic methods, and if you guys don't want to wait day by day for me to give you guys different methods of affiliate marketing, you guys just want a step-by-step blueprint, you guys can go to ericsnewcourse.com and get a 50% discount. The price will be going up soon, and this isn't false scarcity. As I add more content in there, the price is going to be going up. Right now there's a 50% discount, ericsnewcourse.com. And as stated before, if you guys want to know what I'm promoting to earn $1,000 paydays, go to ericsnewbook.com and grab access to my new ebook. And the book is valuable. Whether you decide to invest into the affiliate program or not, grab access to that book. It'll be very beneficial for you. But then you guys can actually see the sales automation and how I completely automate this process and how I execute this exact same process, redirect people to my affiliate offers, and make money online. So with that being said, guys, that is how you make $100 daily. I currently make $500 to $1,000 per day with this exact method. So bare minimum, that's how you make $100 daily with this copy and paste method. Hey, thanks so much for watching. And if you found this video helpful, smash that like button. Also, be sure to subscribe and click that notification bell to be notified every time I drop some new heat. Lastly, if you found yourself thinking, you know, I want this person to be my mentor, click the link in the description right now, or go to erichhelp.com. That's erichhelp.com. Again, thanks for watching.